Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be creating Charmander from Pokemon using polymer clay. For the armature, I'm creating a small round ball for the head and a triangle shape for the body. I'm using paper towel, aluminum foil and wire. Then I'm covering up with masking tape. I'm using the masking tape to hold the arms and feet. I like how the armature looks. I'm applying Bake and Bond over the armature to allow the clay to better stick to the armature. The body. For the body, I'm covering the armature with orange clay. I'm adding clay little by little. I'm using the sculpting tool to smoosh the clay and create the details. You must be patient, it always takes a while to create the correct shape. I'm creating the mouth and nose details with the metal sculpting tool. I'm creating the fingers and carving the arms using the X-Acto knife. I'm applying some baby oil to smooth the clay using a paintbrush. And now it's ready for the first bake. The chest detail. I'm using a piece of yellow clay from the pasta machine. And I'm using the rubber sculpting tool to smooth the clay and create the details. Then I'm using the X-Acto knife to remove the excess of clay. The eyes. Now I'm adding black clay on top of the already baked clay. I'm using the X-Acto knife to remove the excess of clay and create the eye shape. I'm adding a snake of orange clay on top of the upper body of the eye. I'm smooshing the clay using the metal sculpting tool. Now it looks better. Now I'm creating the eye details. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Now I'm using some baby oil to smooth the clay and remove any fingerprints. And now I'm doing a quick bake using the heat gun. Now I'm creating the tail fire using yellow and red clay. I'm trying something different than the last time. This time I'm adding layers of clay like leaves.
Oregon.
Finally, for the nails, I'm using dots of white clay. I like how the figure turned out. Let me know in the comments what do you think of it. And hit that like button so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Click here to watch my other Pokemon figures. Thank you for watching.